Breaking news. Just days after going public, Trump's DJT stock takes a nosedive. Just 1 week after going public under the DJT ticker, shares in Donald Trump's social media company dropped almost 20% on Monday. The decline follows Trump Media and Technology Group's announcement that it lost over £48 million last year on revenue of only about $4 million. Bloomberg reports that the former president's net worth shrank by $1 billion due to the price slump. Stock skyrocketed last week, valuing the firm at $11 billion. Truth Social, the company's flagship program, is losing customers and money, thus analysts predicted the price would fall. Many saw parallels between the recent price increase and the meme stock frenzy of the epidemic, when the stock of firms like AMC and GameStop surged despite weak fundamentals like sales. Trump Media has seen a roughly 200% increase in its share price this year. The company generates all of its revenue from ads on Truth Social. As the stock market transaction goes through, Trump stands to gain billions. The small-time investors are the ones driving the spike, and it seems like some of them are even siding with the former president as his legal issues and associated expenditures mount up. Mr. Trump is legally unable to withdraw his shares for another 6 months unless the board of directors approves a waiver, despite the fact that he owns roughly 60% of the company and stands to receive a windfall of $1 billion upon selling them. The company informed the SEC in a special filing on Monday that it expects to continue to sustain operating losses and negative cash flows from operating activities for the foreseeable future, so these investors are putting their money where their mouth is. The annual report for 2023 shows that Trump Media lost $16 million and paid almost $40 million in interest. To pay its bills when they come due, the corporation stated that its management was quite doubtful about its financial situation. February 2022 saw the introduction of Truth Social, about 1 year following the president's suspension from Twitter, now X, and Facebook following the deadly riot at the U.S. Capitol. With the reinstatement of his accounts on both platforms, Mr. Trump has persisted in utilizing Truth Social as his primary channel for social media postings. Having him on the site, though, has done little to increase its viewership. SimilarWeb estimates that the company's monthly active user base is at 5 million, which is significantly lower than that of its competitors. Though it boasts 8.9 million subscribers, Truth Social has been mum on the routinely released performance measures that would shed light on the company's health for shareholders. Both national brands and their customers have been dealing with some unpleasant news recently. Outback Steakhouse parent business is closing 41 locations and Macy's is closing 150 stores are two of the most common headlines that appear. So, how does this impact Clovis and Fresno? Will any of our stores or eateries be closing soon? Yes. Also, no. Some establishments have already shut down. Not everyone is at risk, though. To find out what this means for local retailers, the Be contacted out to numerous chains that have announced closures. We discovered this.